Snacks Mills in the building.
I wasn't even thinking about me being on the show. I wanted to produce something for them.
Cool celebrity. Like if I went to the mall and stuff, people are like, oh.
The thing was, I didn't even know that anybody ever thought I was ugly.
We look like twins almost.
Okay.
She really wouldn't be
Covering any more subjects related. So that's why you got the raw reaction. This is pathetic. It's pathetic. Welcome back to the Sweet Pea Diaries. It's your girl Sweet Pea, and I am back with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the Sweet Pea Diaries. Be sure to like this video, share this video, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe to the channel. All right, let me know if you guys can hear, if you can see. Let me know if you can hear and see me good before we get into this thing, because last time I was just talking and going and it was echoing. It was, it was loud. People were saying, girl, you talking and we can't hear you, and we can hear you. So just let me know if everything all is well. Let me know. So who we got in the chat? Let's see who is still up with me. We got Monica, if she's still here. Mrs. Jordan was waiting on the queen. I know that's right, girl. Thank you. Together We Break Chains. Linda Barbosa. Susie Davis. Oh, Sweet Pea dropped in and say that her little girl earrings is in her loops. Ciao, everybody. Donna Williams, The Breezeway. Vanderveer, Netta24, KB, Alice Morris, Life with the Leonard Family, Mr. Cow, Sweet Dark Chocolate, The Breezeway, 510, and Latanya. The Hype Media, hey, and Vixen Took and Maya. Everybody says all is well. Yes, my baby got her ear pierced over the weekend. She got her ears pierced. She got the second ear, the second one. So, she already has the first one, so she got the second one. She's going on 12, so I said, go on, girl, you can get them. Honey, they just kept sinking. They was going further and further. It was going further and further in. So we had to just get them things out. So tonight I was doing that before I went live, and she was screaming and hollering. They was bleeding. So, we had to get them out before it just, they were just sinking farther and farther. So I had to get it out. The treetop is here, Deborah Smith. Hey, girl. Renee P says, Tasha must be doing this for clout because this is unnecessary. Now, Tasha K, let me tell y'all something. You guys know that I stay up on everything. I stay up on all the latest developments. Tasha said she wants an in-camera review, okay? Now, an in-camera review It's really not like a camera. It's not like what you would think. When they say they want an in-camera review, they want the court to do an in-camera review. This means that it usually is a document, or it's usually a piece of evidence that either one side might be disputing. And it's something that has been so highly in dispute that we need to look at this, and we need to do an in-camera review. That means that the judge will go into his chambers. He'll be doing this review not around anyone. He won't do it around any of the counsel, any of the defendant's counsel, any of the plaintiff's counsel. He basically will be in his chambers alone doing this review over whatever document. Now, the review in question and the documents in question is a review of the medical records. Tasha K is saying that Cardi B's medical records, and we all know which ones, because she just doesn't believe that this girl doesn't, have what she said she had. We already know that Cardi took the test. She took the shit at UCLA. They said she don't got it. And Tasha K said, the hell, yeah, right. Yeah, right, herpes B. Your motherfucking ass got herpes. I know your gay got herpes B. Simplex B, herpes B, Cardi B. She said, I don't give a fuck. That shit, she got to have the shit. So she wants these medical records examined, closely looked at. I want these motherfuckers. I want these. See, there you go. It's right there. It's right there. She want that shit examined, okay? So we're going to get into it. She wants it examined. She wants the judge to take a fucking microscope. She want that shit looked over. So, now remember I told you they were going to have a pretrial conference. Now, they had the pretrial conference prior to the supposed court on Monday, okay? So Monday, the trial was scheduled to start, and that was going to be with the selection of the jury, okay? So jury selection started on Monday. So that means that they selected the jury. They selected the jury? No, they didn't, because they didn't go through with that. We thought that they were going to come Monday morning. So the jury has not been selected. Nothing got started, but the judge said, oh, we're going to have this pretrial conference. So a pretrial conference is when the attorneys, they go into chambers with the judge and they discuss any of the pending matters, any of the pending motions, whatever that still needs to be, motions that need to be discussed, documents that need to be discussed. They discuss that prior to the beginning of the trial. They discuss how the trial is going to go, has all people entered in their discovery. They discuss things like that. So the judge said, well, since we are not going to be having this trial, it's not going to be a defendant presence and it's not going to be a plaintiff present, I still want the attorneys in my damn chambers. I want to see you in my goddamn chambers because I need to talk to y'all. I need to talk to y'all regardless. I don't give a fuck. I want to talk. All right. So we have the transcript of what went down during that meeting. I don't be playing with this bitch. Child. But really, when I say that we have the transcript, yes, we have the transcript, but we don't have the minute by minute, like what was said, minute by minute, word by word, because they didn't do a minute by minute transcript. They just did an outline. Who was present, who was there, and what was basically discussed. Okay, child. But sometimes they do enter in the transcript minute by minute. But we also have the actual evidence list, all of the exhibits that were entered in on behalf of Cardi B's side, as well as her opposing Tasha K's exhibits, what she thinks shouldn't be entered in, and what Cardi feels she has to defend herself against Tasha K. So we have that as well, honey. So we got some shit to get into tonight, okay? When I say we got receipts, we got documents, we got them, all right? So let's get the first one. All right. So here is the actual transcript from the pre-trial conference. I wish I could have been a fly on the wall because Olga and Sadir were present. Sarah Matz, Lisa Moore, and William were present on behalf of Cardi B. So this was a pre-trial conference. The minute text, the court discussed trial procedures and the pending pre-trial motions. Parties can submit an order that the court will sign directing the relevant medical records to be sent for in-camera review. You hear me? The court discussed trial procedures and the pending pre-trial motions. Party can submit an order that the court will sign directing the relevant medical records be sent for in-camera review. And what medical records are we talking about? We are talking about these medical records. Introduction of medical records. Defendants seek to exclude any evidence. Now remember, this is coming from Tasha's motion in limine. And remember, we went over that document where this is what Tasha K wants admitted and not admitted. And she basically said that she wanted any introduction of medical records, testimony from Cardi B's physicians. She didn't want none of that shit entered as evidence. She is seeking to exclude any evidence, testimony, questions, arguments, or comments regarding certain documents. Cardi 146, 149, 231, 774, and 777 that allegedly contain results of plaintiff's medical screenings. Defendants object to the documents for several reasons. First, these documents contain two different names, Elizabeth Chambers and Bonnie Crown. Neither of those names belong to the plaintiff, whose name is Bakalis Almazar. Additionally, plaintiff failed to provide any proof or evidence that she has ever gone by either one of those names. Plaintiff cannot prove the authenticity of these documents as required by Federal or Evidence 901. Second, each document consists of only one page, which means these are incomplete records and plaintiff has failed to provide the missing portions, despite numerous requests by defendants that plaintiff do so. Therefore, these two pieces of paper containing two different names, neither of which is the plaintiff's, cannot be classified as medical records because they do not contain any of the inquired information. Third, these two documents do not list the name of the medical professional who conducted the screenings and interpreted the results. Plaintiff does not even have any person who can be called as a witness to identify these documents. In conclusion, plaintiff failed to provide any competent evidence that connects these two documents to plaintiff in any way. Consequently, defendants have serious questions regarding the authenticity of these two documents, and plaintiff must be prohibited from introducing them at trial. Now, which one is it? Either you don't want these documents admitted or you do want them admitted. On one hand, Tasha K is saying that she does not want these medical records to be allowed as evidence. She doesn't want them allowed in as evidence, right? But on the other hand, she is stating now that she wants an in-camera review because she wants the judge to look at this closer. She wants the relevant medical records to be sent in for an in-camera review. Well, if you don't want the goddamn medical records entered in, why do they need to be entered in for a camera review? Makes no sense to me, because she knows good and goddamn well that those medical records are going to be allowed in as evidence. This is part of the goddamn case. You accused her of having herpes. You accused her of having a disease that she went and got tested for. Now, we read the response to this accusation, and Cardi B, we're not going to go over it. We're not going to go get the document. You could just go and look on the previous video for that document. However, Cardi B's response is that she used an alias. She used an alias. When she went down to the clinic, she used an alias. Those two names are her aliases that she used. Now, what she did say that she will do, she will be having her two physicians come and speak as witnesses to certify that the medical records, that the documents, that, you know, the results, that they are accurate, they are authentic, and they are going to be witnesses to attest to the relevancy and, you know, her psychological disposition as it pertains to the dragging and the intentional infliction of emotional distress, all of that. So even her physicians have agreed to come in and be witnesses. And remember, Tasha wants that also to not be allowed in as evidence. She does not want Cardi B's freaking physicians to be allowed in to testify. So why is it, would you not want that entered in if you're trying to say that she has herpes? Why is she not allowed to enter in her medical records? So what she's saying is, I want this motherfucker, Judge, I want you to look at this motherfucking shit. This bitch is trying to pull a motherfucking fast one. She's trying to pull a motherfucking fast one, Judge. I don't know no motherfucker. I know that bitch has herpes motherfucking B. I know that bitch is herpes motherfucking B. I don't know no motherfucker. I don't know no motherfucker. I know that bitch is motherfucking herpes B. I don't know no goddamn Elizabeth Chambers or no motherfucking Bonnie Crown. Now, if you look at those names, you could tell that they are fucking aliases. Elizabeth Chambers and Bonnie Crown, that's a goddamn alias. We already can tell that's an alias. Most celebrities, when they go do things in the public, they either go down as a goddamn alias or they have their assistants put it in their name. So this is not uncommon at all. It is not uncommon at all. So what Tasha is saying, well, if it's only one page, how can that be a complete medical record? Well, we all know that a lot of times when people are trying to hide personal information from medical records, they are not going to submit the entire document. They're just going to give you the important part, right? Cardi said, I don't need to give you my whole history. But what Tasha nosy motherfucking ass want, she wants her entire medical record. She doesn't have to give you that. All she's required to do is give you the results that you asked for. You wanted to know whether or not I had goddamn motherfucking herpes, bitch. Oh, thank you, Too Persuasive, for the $2 super sticker. I really appreciate you, ma. She said, bitch, all I'm motherfucking required to do is show your ass whether or not I have herpes or not, or HPV. I don't gotta show you my whole goddamn record. But what Tasha wants, she wants that so that she'll be able to come along once the trial is over and do like what she's claiming now. When she go on to that motherfucking backup channel, ooh, when this motherfucking case is over, I'm gonna spill the motherfucking wine. Bitch, I'm gonna spill the motherfucking wine. When this motherfucking case is over, I got some motherfucking wine to spill. That's what the fuck she would want people to think. That there's all this hidden information. Well, honey, what you need to be asking, why is she able to gather 963 pieces of evidence against your ass? Why? Why does she have over 963 pieces of evidence? Exhibit A. This is Cardi B's updated exhibit list. All of these exhibits, these are either documents or videos. You have all of these pieces of evidence. Look at this. All of this is Cardi B's exhibit list. This is all of the pieces of evidence that Cardi B has against Tasha K to prove her case. Now, these are where we get into the videos. This first page, 1 through 22, it is all of the actual documents. It goes from number 1 all the way to number 518. So there are 518 pieces of motherfucking documents alone. Just paperwork. What the fuck is this shit? How the bitch this bitch get 518? I'll put this shit together, bitch. How the fuck would you get? Hey, this shit is not true. I didn't say this shit. This is not me. I did not say this. I fucking said herpes B, not Cardi B. I didn't call her Cardi B. I called her herpes B. Oh my God, why the fuck did I do this shit? I fucking said Cardi B. I didn't say herpes B. I didn't. I was just fucking playing. You know I was motherfucking playing, Cardi. You know I was motherfucking playing. It can't be 518 documents. It can't. There's no way I said this much shit. No fucking way. I didn't do this all by myself. Where's fucking Lovely T? Where's her fucking shit? I'm not the only one that talks about Cardi. I am not the only one. They fucking snitched on me, sent fucking letters to the judge. I'm gonna get them motherfuckers. I'm gonna get these motherfuckers. I'm gonna tell on every motherfucking body. I'm gonna tell on every motherfucking body when this shit over with. Then you get down to number 519, and now we start getting into the videos. Cardi video number 1, all the way to Cardi video number 173, bitch. There are 173. Bitch, rewind it. Pause it, Olga. Goddamn, we on number 2. We got 171 to go. Bitch, push pause. God damn it, I can't think. 173 videos. What the fuck? God damn. I said push play. Tasha, no you didn't. You said push pause. I don't know what to do. I told you to stop talking so much. Tasha, I told you to leave Cardi B alone. Now you got us down here watching fucking videos. I didn't want to watch videos. I'm sick of watching videos about Cardi B. Cardi B this, Cardi B that. I told you, leave Cardi B alone. I said leave Cardi B alone. 173 videos. 173 videos. Oh, Tasha, I told you leave Cardi B alone. 173 videos. Oh, Tasha. Then you get down to 656. Now you're getting into Kibi. Kibi to the Kibi. Kibi 20, 21, 22. Now, these are Tasha's videos or documents. And honey, you just going down, 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 down. Kibi. And then, now I don't know what CHAQ, but that, I don't know if that's Shaq. But somebody named CHAQ stepped in this motherfucker. CHAQ 20 to 33. Now, I don't know who CHAQ is, but honey, they stepped in this thing as well. They stepped in at 892. And then it goes back down to Cardi documents, some more documents of Cardi, and then 2 more videos of Cardi, and then more documents, and then plaintiff's first responses, and then Kibi's responsive to the plaintiff's RFAs, plaintiff's second RFAs, plaintiff's first set of interrogatories, verification of Tasha K. So now we start getting into their depositions. So this is where Tasha K, they also talk about video discrepancies. So we just get into it. All right? We just start getting into it. We start getting into it. This is a lot of paperwork. 983 pieces of fucking evidence. 983. 49 pages. That's a lot. All over fucking YouTube videos. Fucking bitch. All I was doing was making fucking videos. I can't make videos about motherfucking Cardi B. Bitch, I can't stand your motherfucking ass. You ain't have to do me like this, Cardi. Why you didn't pick one of the fucking bloggers? Why you ain't picking a motherfucking brother, bitch? All I was motherfucking doing was making motherfucking videos. Everybody make videos. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, Cardi B. I can't stand your motherfucking ass. You out there in motherfucking Fashion Week, out there in motherfucking Paris, while I'm slaving on this shit. Fuck you, bitch. I can't stand this motherfucking bitch. I'm the motherfucking queen of YouTube. Bitch, you can't tell me I ain't the motherfucking queen. I ain't the motherfucking queen. Bitch, this is not queen behavior. Queens do not have 983 pieces of evidence against them for YouTube content. There is no reason why you should be being sued, and there is no reason why someone should have been able to put together 983 pieces of evidence against you. And now you want to say that the judge needs to do an in-camera review because you're trying to save your ass, because you're trying to think of anything you could do to stall, to divert. This is not YouTube. You cannot do deflection and diversion. This is court. This is a court of law. You wasted the attorney's time. You wasted the judge's time. And you certainly wasted your own motherfucking time and money. You are fighting a case that you cannot win. You already got your shit dismissed. Now, maybe you might have better luck in my court when we put this shit on mock trial. You might have better chances on the mock trial when we put this shit on. Because we're going to give your ass a fair chance. We're going to gather people for your team. And like I said, winos, this is open to y'all. Y'all got an open invitation as well. Send your motherfucking email in if you want to apply to be a wino. Even if you don't like Tasha K, you can apply to be a wino. If you don't like Cardi, you can apply to be Barty. This is open to everyone. You might have a better chance of winning on our mock trial, bitch. Because this case is over. This one right here, this one is done. Bitch, this one is done. Ain't nothing you could do to get out of this. Now, let me tell you about these motherfucking damages. Because, honey, we had like the little 75K. Well, honey, now we have additional information as to more damages and financial is coming out. Okay? Damages including counts 6 and 7. Plaintiff seeks damages that are inferred under Georgia law from the defamatory statements. Plaintiff also seeks damages for pain and suffering. The measure is the enlightened conscience of fair and impartial jurors. Questions of whether, how much, and how long the plaintiff has suffered or will suffer are for the jury to decide. Now, the plaintiff also seeks $5,980.37 for her treatment expenses from a clinical psychologist. So Cardi said, bitch, I motherfucking got it. Bitch, I got the motherfucking money. But bitch, you gonna pay $5,980.37 for my motherfucking clinical psychologist bill. Motherfucker, I got it, but bitch, you're gonna pay it because this has to directly do with the shit you put me through. As to medical expenses, such as hospital, doctor, and medicine bills, the amount of the damage would be the reasonable value of such expense as was reasonably necessary. Georgia suggested pattern jury instructions for civil cases, including cited cases. So they are telling the jury, whatever this usually is reasonable, give me that. Plaintiff also seeks punitive damages, which may be awarded where the defendant's actions show willful misconduct, malice, fraud, wantonness, oppression, or entire want of care that would raise the presumption of conscious indifference to consequences. Punitive damages should be awarded not as compensation to a plaintiff, but solely to punish, penalize, or deter a defendant. So Cardi B said, bitch, I don't need your money. This is not to be awarded to me as compensation or a reward. This is to punish your ass, penalize, or deter other motherfuckers from doing this or you from doing this again in the future. So when everybody out there, the winos and the people that are against Cardi B or that are always in my comments talking their shit, the law actually references this as well, that a person should be rewarded financially and should be compensated to punish and penalize and deter people from doing this shit, dragging, bullying, cyberbullying. So it's not just me, it is not just us. The law actually says it. Punitive damages to punish, penalize, or deter a defendant. Willful repetition of an intentional tort will support an award of punitive damages. Punitive damages in excess of the statutory limit of $250,000 may be awarded if it is found that a defendant in this case acted or failed to act with a specific intent to cause harm. A party possesses specific intent to cause harm when the party desires to cause the consequences of its act or believes that the consequences are substantially certain to result from it. So they're saying that $250,000 should be awarded to Cardi B because the defendant found that they were intending to cause harm when posting these videos. Period. All of that sums that up. That Tasha K knew what she was doing when she posted these goddamn videos. She intended to cause harm. She intended to inflict distress. She intended to drag, humiliate, bully, and embarrass Cardi B. So Cardi B should be awarded $250,000 for that. Plaintiff also seeks legal fees and expenses that she has incurred in this action. The jury may award expenses of litigation where the plaintiff has specially pleaded them and where the defendant has acted in bad faith, has been stubbornly litigious, or has caused the plaintiff unnecessary trouble and expense. And that is exactly what Tasha has done by being stubbornly litigious, meaning asking for more time, asking for more extensions, causing unnecessary trouble and expense. By allowing this case to be dragged out, continuing to ask for more time, actually entering the counterclaim in the beginning, knowing damn well she did not have any merit to that goddamn counterclaim to begin with. So this is yet another aspect that Cardi B can obtain money from. Every intentional tort invokes a species of bad faith and entitles a person so wronged to recover the expenses of litigation, including attorney's fees. Plaintiff has incurred at least $827,000 in legal fees and expenses through August 2021. So from the time that Cardi B filed this lawsuit up until August 2021, she has spent over $827,000 defending herself. On top of $250,000, then we're going to throw in that little $6,000 right there. That's just the dollar amounts that we know of. There are also amounts in here for punitive damages that the jury will figure out on their own. All right? There's also damages for the pain and suffering. The jury will figure that out on their own. So we got $5,980.37. Then we got $827,000. And then we got the $250,000. And not to mention the pain and suffering and the intentional infliction of emotional. Terrible. Joint tortfeasors are jointly and severally liable for the full amount of damages when they acted in concert to commit the tortious acts. The preceding citation are illustrative only. Plaintiffs incorporate by reference and may rely on their other authorities identified in their summary judgment briefing, their pretrial brief, and their motion in limine. And this does not include the fact that they asking her to take the videos down. So Sarah Joy says, will she really have to pay all of that? Exactly, Hubbard Lelouch. These legal documents are not free as well. Bitch, I'm gonna need my motherfucking money. I need my motherfucking money too, bitch. But these are the amounts that Cardi B is seeking. So we are not saying that this is the amounts that she will absolutely have to pay. This is the lease. That is in the lease. That is at least what Cardi B is asking. And we don't even know the amounts that the jury is going to come up with for the emotional distress and the malice and acting out of malice and the pain and suffering. This is an expensive case. And I have told people that over and over again. This is not funny. This is serious. So all the people that think that this is not serious, this is just simple. I ain't no motherfucking criminal. I'm not going to motherfucking jail. Stop asking me about that motherfucking shit. I'm not going to lose my motherfucking channel. So all of that shit is just a way to deflect from the fact that that's why she's so pissed off. She's pissed because she be reading the same shit that I'm reading is the same shit she read. So you don't know that she is absolutely going through hell right now. You know that just as much as I know that. She reads these documents just like I read them. She gets these documents before we do. She sees this shit before it hits Pacer. So when you see her get up there and start screaming, fuck a motherfucking Cardi. Fuck motherfucking Cardi B. I can't stand that motherfucking bitch. Oh, there she go again. Okay. What's now, bitch? What's now, bitch? A motherfucking bitch? Fuck that motherfucking bitch. Fuck that shit. Oh, what's now? Another motherfucking Birkin bag? Fuck them motherfucking Birkin bags. Fuck that shit. Fuck a motherfucking Cardi B. When she get up there acting like that, it's because the lawyer, Tasha, we sent you an email. We need your signature. Yeah, we need your signature. Sadir and Olga. It's Sadir and Olga. When you get this message, Tasha, we sent you some more documents that we need your signature on. We just want you to go over the figures and let us know if you think that's appropriate. Yeah, it's actually paperwork that Cardi B and her team, they have delivered to us just this morning, and we need some more signatures on those documents. If you can give us a call back, Tasha, thanks, bye. Boop. Let me open up this. What the fuck is this shit? Let me open up this motherfucker. Fuck! 250,000. What the fuck? It was just a motherfucking video. How the fuck? What the fuck? Fuck this motherfucker, bitch. Fuck this motherfucker, bitch. Thank you, Call Me Darling, and thank you, Bella Michelle, Jersey Girl, Al, for the $5 and the $4.99. So when she get up here and she be going off and she be aggravated, that's why. You don't think that she gets these documents? She goes off. They need her signature. They got to be reviewed. She get the list with all. Tasha, this is Sadir and Olga. We need to see you on Saturday. We need you to come down. Need you to come down to the office. We've got a long day ahead of us. We're going to buy lunch. Yeah, bring the wine bottle. We got a long day ahead of us. So all those hours she spent, I blocked off my schedule. And now you want to postpone. I want to go to motherfucking job. I spent 2 days, 983 fucking exhibits. Fuck, I thought we was ready. I need to get this shit over with. I need to get it over with. Well, it might have not been this bad, and it might have not been 983 fucking exhibits if she did not continue to do videos. But she thinks that because they're deleted, nobody sees them and nobody catches them. But Barty Gang, they be right there. Screenshot, bitch. Soon as she presses end, Barty Gang done got it all. They done screen recorded it and it done sent it and dropped it in Cardi's motherfucking inbox. Just because you delete, it doesn't mean they didn't fucking screen record. So the more and more videos you make, the more and more that list just got longer and longer. Y'all saw the list. It went, Cardi amended and added more and more videos from 2018, the videos from there, all the way up to October 23rd, 2021. How the hell do you got videos in evidence all the way up to October 23rd? So every time she goes live, every time she says anything that is inappropriate related to Cardi B, it gets sent and it gets added to this fucking list. And this is evidence of that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this shit. This is ridiculous. There is no, how many fucking videos and how many times could you have said anything? This is ridiculous. You should not have 983 examples and instances where you talked about Cardi. And this isn't just where she just talked about Cardi. This is where she made reference to all the things that she's being sued for. HPV and herpes comments, that Cardi is a prostitute or was a prostitute, that Cardi did drugs, that Cardi put a beer bottle up her private, and that she cheated on Offset. Those are the elements of the case. So this is 983 instances where Tasha K talked about those things or made reference to it. So this shit This pain and suffering, abso-fucking-lutely. Abso-fucking-lutely. The amount that is being asked for, she deserves every ounce of it. You said you got it. You said you a motherfucking millionaire. You said you make millions on YouTube. You are self-employed. You the queen of YouTube. So you got it. Ain't nothing but a new 75K. Bitch, this is more than 75K. This is $250,000, and Cardi's legal expenses are $827,000. And if you are found to have to pay a person's legal expenses, they're not going to say, well, she has to pay a portion of that. If that is what Cardi's legal expenses are, that's what she will have to pay. The legal expenses is absolutely guaranteed. It is that amount you can count on. That amount you can count on her actually having to pay. Vonder Perkins, thank you for the $10 super chat. She says, your commentary is so funny but true. So the $827,000, that is actually an amount that will have to be paid if they find that Tasha has to pay for Cardi B's legal expenses. And she said that's just through August 2021. We are all the way up to November and they still fighting. So the bill's still being added on. Clock still ticking, bills still being added on. So that means there will be more money towards this legal expense. That's just up till August. That's just up till August. 800, Tasha, we don't have $827,000. We don't have it. We have $827. That's all we have. Tasha, I told you to stop talking about Cardi B. We don't have it. I have no money. We don't have 827,000. We have 827. That's it. If that. We don't. You used it to get those teeth. You put those teeth in your mouth. I told you we could not afford it. You want those teeth. You wanted those teeth. You put those teeth in your mouth. We could not afford it. I told you not to get those teeth. I told you. You did not need those teeth. You try to keep up with everybody. They don't look right on you. You'll say, that's why I don't want no cookie. That's why. I don't look at you. I told you, I don't touch you. I don't want to touch you. $827,000 is a lot of fucking money. A lot. For a defamation case for making videos on YouTube, too much. Too much. Make it make sense. I need a wino. If you're in the crowd, if you're in the bushes, please step out of the bushes and let us know, was this worth it? What do you feel about Tasha's circumstance as it relates to this case? I don't want to hear that shit that she got it. Nobody has $1 million to just give someone. No one has $1 million. This is $1 million. 827,000 plus 250,000. Then the little 6,000 that they want to throw in there. And then we got the other amounts that have not even been mentioned. That's a lot of money for a defamation case. This is not a criminal. This is a defamation lawsuit. It is too much money at the end of the day to be even thinking or entertaining having to pay. I wouldn't want none of this shit in my vocabulary. I would not want to even have this in my vocabulary. I would not want this in my mouth. I wouldn't want it in my mind. Bitch, I can't sleep. I can't fucking sleep. Fuck this shit. I cannot sleep. I need a drink. That's why she can't sleep. That's why she's taking fucking weed. She doing weed and drinking because she can't sleep. Fuck this shit. Fucking motherfucking. I don't have 827,000. That bitch know I ain't got no fucking money. What the fuck? Where the fuck I'm gonna get this shit from? Where the fuck am I gonna get $827,000? I can't fucking sleep. I can't think. I can't fucking eat. I can't eat. I can't sleep. This shit is driving me crazy. All I did was make a video. I just made a video. Everybody else does it. Why the fuck she sued me? $827,000 is a lot of motherfucking money. It's a lot. So, I mean, and Cardi, like they're saying, she don't need the money. They want to do this for a punishment. They want to do this to send a message. They want to do this. It says punitive damages shall be awarded not as a compensation to the plaintiff, but solely to punish, penalize, or deter a defendant. We don't want to be compensated. This is not an award. This is to punish your ass and penalize you. This is the but you can't punish and penalize a bitch like Tasha because her motherfucking pride gets her every time. She gets in her own way. She's her own worst enemy. Any other bitch, listen, you ain't got to tell me twice. Bitch, I'm good. I'm good. Bitch, I'm not saying Cardi B, Rardy B, Cootie B, Beccalese, Poopalese, Kikalese. I'm not saying Culture, Roacher. I'm not saying shit. Bitch, Cardi who? Bitch, don't say that. I don't know that bitch. Don't talk about her to me. Fuck wrong with you? I don't know no fucking Cardi. I don't know her. I don't know that bitch. I don't even talk about. Bitch, what I tell you about talking about, I don't know anything about Cardi B. Don't tell me I don't know shit. Bitch, all the fuck she would have had to do is tell me, what? Cardi who? Bitch, I don't know nothing about I done told you about talking about that bitch around me. Bitch, don't even say that bitch name in my presence. But see, a bitch like Tasha, she wants to prove to everyone on YouTube, okay? YouTube, she cares so much about, imagine being ruled by the chat and the comment section. Imagine living your life based off the fucking comments, based off of what people think about you. She cares so much about what the subscribers believe. She don't care shit about her own life and taking her family through something like this financially. This is a burden. I don't blame Shaq. Shaq, get rid of that bitch. But Shaq needs you for the motherfucking green card. He needs you for the green card. This is to solely punish, penalize, or deter the defendant. Cardi B doesn't need your money. Cardi B don't need shit of yours. Cardi said, like she said on that motherfucking live, bitch, you didn't want to stop taking it. I'm getting ready to make an example. I'm getting ready to take every fucking dime you got. Hey, mamacita. Hey, papi, gotcha. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. We're getting ready to go to the Birkin bag store. Mommy got the $250,000. What mommy gonna do from that? When I get that money, I'm going to give you that for your bags. Mommy gonna buy you a big Barbie house. You're gonna have your own house. You're going to be able to sleep in that house. I'm going to get you some more bags. We're going to get you a real pony. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, gotcha. Come on, mommy. Let's go, y'all. We going to play. Yes, my name is motherfucking Cardi, bitch. Don't fuck with me. I'm motherfucking body. Bitch. I told you, Tasha. I told you to leave me the fuck alone, bitch. Get you on life. I told you to leave me the fuck alone. How does it feel, Tasha K? How does it feel, Tasha K? I told you to leave me the fuck alone, bitch. I told you to leave me the fuck alone. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. You ain't no motherfucking body. I'm gonna come out of this shit and I'm gonna be the king. I'm gonna be the motherfucking king. I'm gonna be on top. I'm gonna have my motherfucking say, bitch. Fuck you. Wait till this shit is over. I'm telling every motherfucking thing. I'm telling every motherfucking thing. Wait till this shit is over with. Thank you, Brookside L. I love you guys. Thank you for the $19.99. Come on, Kocha. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to get on the plane. No. Offset. We're going on to the plane. Where you going? Where you going, papi? Where you going, papi? Where you going, papi? I love you too, papi. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you too, papi. Fuck them motherfuckers. They in love. Fuck this shit. She keeps showing this shit on her fucking live. She doing this shit on purpose. She fucking taunting me on purpose. Fuck that motherfucking bitch. I can't fucking Cardi B. Fucking Cardi B. Everybody in the comments, Tasha, you're not supposed to be talking about Cardi. You on the lawn. Fuck Cardi. Fuck that bitch. Fucking Cardi B. I don't care shit about that bitch. I'm telling everything I know. Soon as this shit is over. And then as soon as this shit over and you start telling everything you know, Cardi gonna be right back on your ass. Another lawsuit. Lawsuit number 2, Transrena to the Kiwi. I'm not. Wait a minute. I know motherfucking well. This sir. Wait. Hold on. What's this? Sorry, ma'am, but you've been served. Served? I just got out of a fucking. This is a mistake. I'm sorry, ma'am, but I was told to deliver this here. I just did my. Take this shit. I'm not fucking Tasha K. My name is Transrena. I'm not fucking Tasha K. My name is fucking Transrena. No way, Tasha. Another lawsuit. Oh, fuck this shit. I am gone. I'm on my way to Africa. Give me my kids. Give me my son. I'm gone. I'm leaving you. Another lawsuit from Cardi B. Another Cardi B. Oh, fuck this shit. I'm going. You are nobody. You know that? I should have never fucking married you. You are a nobody. You know that? You are nothing. You are a nobody. I told you to leave Cardi B alone. Another lawsuit? I can't fucking afford this. I don't know what the fuck to do. I don't know what to do. Leave Cardi B alone. That's what the fuck you do. Find some more fucking content. Find some other content. That's what you do. So I just really hope at the end of the day, I really pray that Tasha learns her lesson from this. Hopefully when this is over with, she won't have a vendetta where she's trying, to prove something or want to expose Cardi B and get herself in more trouble. Hopefully she will learn from this and she will move on. Hopefully. But y'all know how Tasha is. But one for the road.
So,
that's that on that. That's basically it. I mean, she is saying that she wants the judge to do an in-person and in-camera review. She wants the judge to look more into the medical records to ensure that the medical records that they are Cardi B's records. I mean, usually a person does not give the entire packet. They will just give the page that has the results. And she went to UCLA Medical Center and she got this stuff done. And the doctors are even willing, her physicians are willing to come up there and testify. So I don't know what a judge, barricading himself in his fucking chambers and looking at some medical records that are only 1 and 2 pages. What do you think that he's going to find that is out of order? I mean, it's saying yay or no. She has this condition or she don't. That's all it boils down to. So the medical records, they got them. You're not going to be able to fight that. It says she never had it. She doesn't have it. And we all know that herpes is a viral condition. If she ever had that, it would still show up. It would come up in her system and we would be like, oh, she's got that. So you knew it was a lie when you said it. And all you should have done at that moment when she told you to take the shit down was back out and do some other content on someone else. That's what you should have done. You should have just moved on. But you wanted to show your subscribers, you wanted to show everybody that you were winning this lawsuit. And like those records say, Cardi B's team said, you intentionally dragged this shit on. You wasted their time, you wasted her time, you wasted the court's time, you wasted the judge's time. This entire lawsuit was actually a waste of time. So not only should you be punished for the things that you said and your actions, you should be punished for wasting everyone's time. So they got your ass sold up. They got you sold up all around the board in that goddamn lawsuit. So $250K, $827,000 for legal fees, and a little punk $6,000 for the medical doctors for the time she went and saw the specialist. I don't know. But honey, $6K. We need that too. Run it, bitch. So this has been another edition of the Sweet Pea Diaries. You guys be sure to like this video, share this video, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I have gotten a couple of people. They did send the email to Tasha K versus Cardi B at gmail.com. Again, Tasha K vs Cardi B. Tasha K vs Cardi B at gmail.com to enter in to be either Team Cardi, Team Tasha, or a juror. We are running registration all the way up to the end of the month. So I've gotten a couple applications. I've sent people their little questionnaires. So come on, y'all. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Don't be shy. You don't have to be on camera. You can use your avatar. That is another thing too. If you're like a type of person that does not want to be on camera, you don't have to be on camera. You can use an avatar. So come on and sign up. Let's make this thing fun. Let's make this thing exciting. And not to mention going and win yourself some money. Win yourself some money, right? Aw, Karen Sanders, honey, you look gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are so sweet. You guys are so sweet. So be sure to like this video, share this video, but most importantly, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'm out, God. Good night. Bye.